What's going on, everybody? I know there's a lot of drama right now with Muln. The stock's just been falling and falling, and it's still trying to find its ultimate bottom for reversal, which seems to be bottomless lately. But check out this dual chart on the weekly time frame of Carvana stock and Muln Automotive stock. Carvana had a nice run today, over 50% on the day. And it was coming off just a company update. We're going to get into that in a little bit, but I just wanted you to see how similar these charts look. Carvana was getting pushed down. It's another heavily shorted stock as well. It's been getting pushed down to a low of $3.55. Then it had a spike up before consolidating sideways and now getting a rip to the upside over 50%. You always hear that Muln stock is primed for a squeeze according to the chart and the short data behind the scenes. But as I said, right now Muln is trying to find its bottom for a reversal still. But it could potentially see a move similar to Carvana because the charts are looking similar as well. And the RSI did get an uptick at the end of the day. You see Muln curl back up over 50 cents closed. Now check it out on a monthly time frame. You see that there's high volume on the all-time lows of the stock, and Carvana, like I said, is pushing up ever since it got as low as $3.55. The charts have been aligning for Muln for something to be announced. We don't know if we're going to get a company update such as Carvana did, or if Muln will go a bit lower before making this move. But I just wanted you guys to see how it is looking on both of these charts. Also, another thing that can be contributing to Carvana's trajectory to the upside is the amount of fails to deliver coming up due on the T35 closeout dates starting tomorrow, or actually starting today and tomorrow, going into next week as well. Over $60 million worth of failure to deliver is coming up due. And most of you guys already know that shorts have tons of failure to delivers with Muln Automotive stock. Now let's get into the news for Carvana. It says shorts are getting squeezed. The online car retailer shares rally 56% on Thursday, the biggest one-day gain on record, after the company updated its outlook. The Tempe, Arizona-based company announced it expects to achieve adjusted EBITDA above $50 million in the second quarter of 2023. Earlier this year, Carvana had signaled it would reach positive adjusted earnings in quarter two, but hadn't given an exact amount. Carvana also expects its non-GAAP total gross profit per unit to come in above $6,000, representing a new company record and a more than 63% improvement compared to the same quarter last year. Carvana shares are heavily shorted when it rises on the heels of a headline. Investors who were betting that the stock will go down are forced to cover their positions by buying the stock. This creates what's called a short squeeze. The company, once a pandemic darling, laid off workers last year in an effort to cut costs and preserve cash. Carvana stock was crushed last year over concerns of possible bankruptcy. Now, you guys may already know there's already been bankruptcy scares out there on the media for Muln Automotive stock as well. And these are between two companies that have been heavily shorted, heavily naked shorted as well, with all the failure to deliver the right piece of news or an anticipated company update such as Carvana received that will get Muln in the right direction to finally form this bottom for a reversal. So let me know what you guys think. Do you think Muln is in the final flush before it makes a reversal and could possibly make a move like Carvana did today? Let me know your thoughts and opinions down in the comment section. I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm gone.